Welcome to 1600 Hillside Road, one of Boulder's premier properties for sale for the first time in over 60 years. This storied and sizable three-level native stone and stucco home sits atop a majestic 0.66-acre hilltop in the center of town overlooking Boulder and her mountains at the end of a private road along Boulder Creek. This wonderfully located and sizable level plot is prime for a secluded and securable retreat in the center of Boulder with fantastic access to all things memorable about our town. For over a century, this stately beauty has hosted many of wonderful Boulder residents as well as some of Boulder's premier founders and events. The time has come for the Thomas family to turn the page on this chapter and are looking forward to her next stewards and their imaginings for this grand dame. She and her land hold great and historic possibilities. It is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own one of Boulder's special properties.